Today is the day for My Creative Times 142nd edition release, and you are now able to purchase all of these goodies that we have been showing you this week in our sneaky peeks. Now, before you leave and go shopping, make sure you grab my code, MOE, so that you can use that to get your 15% off your total purchase or any of the design team sisters. Also, we are having a YouTube hop as well as an Instagram hop and a giveaway. So you will want to make sure that you leave a comment on each person on YouTube as well as on Instagram. And so there'll be 2 giveaways, and you will be able to win the next month's release. So make sure you leave those comments. All right, these are all of the products I created for you this week. So let's run through them real quick, and I'm going to show you everything that I used to create these. Isn't this tempting? I love them. I love them. All right, so first off, we have this cute little girl and her little bird whispering to her tweet birthday wishes. So just adorable. We also have the Life is Better with You in it, with these cute little gingerbreads. They're the garden gingers, and I love them. Also, this is made by the with the 5x5 card base. And we also have this cute card here, made with the 5x5 card base and the cute gingers. Adorable. Love this one here. This is made with that flower pot die, the daisies and the flowers that we showcased for this week, that mini bow die and that stake die and those leaves behind there. Love them. And this is a pull-out card. Love how that turned out. Super cute. And then I made this chocolate strawberry. Love that. That is just too cute to me. And then there goes the inside of that. I turned it into a card, which fits into the holiday envelope. And love how that turned out. And I made some chocolate strawberries. Now, if you'd like to know how I made those, go back to day 2 of the Sneaky Peeks. That will be down below for you as well. And then I made this. It's a treat bag. And I'll show you the bag, the picture of that. For you. But anyways, and this is the tag that I had on top of it, as well as the treat box. And I made it into a shaker card. So those are all of the items there. I've already showed you how the paper looks, so make sure you hit day 1 if you want to see that in more detail. But here goes that paper. Absolutely cute, adorable, airy, colorful. I mean, it's just gorgeous garden paper. I love it. We have the strawberry tag dies, 3 in that set. Strawberry plate die, love this. You can cut out 6 strawberries in that set. 5x5 card base die, there'll be 8 in this set. Really, really nice. Love this, love it. I love background dies anyways, so that was right up my alley. And then to boot, she also threw in some sentiment layers or whatever you'd like to use that for. We have the Garden Gingers one, 14 dies in this set, and I kind of explained that on yesterday's Sneaky Peek, so make sure you go back and check that out if you haven't had a chance. And then we have the Garden Gingers 2. These are with the medium dies, and they look exactly like the Gingers 1, and 14 dies in that set. And like I said, I explained it all in yesterday's post, so make sure you go back, check that out. And then we have the Birdhouse Stampin' Dies, 9 in this set, really cute set. And then we have the Birdhouse Tag Dies, 4 in this set. Adorable. Flower Pot Dies, there's 8 in this set, so you'll have these 2 hearts and everything up here. And then down here we have the stake, Garden Stake Die, Stampin' Dies, 6 in this set, along with these stamps. Really cute. And I didn't show you the stamps from this set here. The stamps come with this set. That's right there. And then we also have the flower leaf plate dies. Love these leaves. I will be using these again and again and again. I love them. I can't express to you how much I love these. And then we also have the strawberry flower dies that goes on this plate here. It's just a set of dies on this plate. Love it because you can just run it through once and you're done. So make sure you leave a comment down below so that you can be entered into the giveaway. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.